we created our UltraShield Naturale line of deck tiles, we really wanted to bring everything back to basics. The key to a do-it-yourself project is that you should be able to, well, do it yourself. That's where we started. We wanted it to be unapologetically simple.
So when one of our customers takes on a DIY project with our quick deck tiles, we want them to experience quality, ease of installation, and pride in a job well done. And when something is easy to do, you feel rewarded instead of frustrated. We wanted to take the technical out of installation so you can really focus on the fun and beauty of the experience.
Out of the box, the tiles are ready to go. No tools required, no experience required.
So your deck can really be your deck.
Sometimes the simplest things are the most extraordinary. We've engineered simplicity into our design so that you get an extraordinary look, an extraordinary feel, and an extraordinary experience. We want you to be the artist and these tiles to be your brush as you paint your floor a brand new life.